Okay, so let us take one more paradox in maths. Let me start with, let a variable a which is equal to b, and we are assuming that a and b are not zero. A and b are not zero. Okay, so if a is equal to b, now can we multiply both sides by the same quantity? Like if I want to multiplying both the sides by a, what would be the result? If I multiply both sides by a, I will get a squared here and ab here. Okay, now what I am doing is I am subtracting both sides by b square. I am subtracting both sides by b square. This can be done, mathematically correct, no problem with it. Now further, LHS part, we can factorize it. We can write this as a plus b times a minus b, and RHS also we can factorize by taking b common. That will be b times a minus b. Now we can common factor, we can just cancel out one time, and what will be left with us will be a plus b is equal to b. Now since we assumed a and b equal, so we can write, or we can replace b by a, which will give us the result that 2 times a is equal to a. Now same factor we can again cancel one time, which will give us the result that 2 is equal to 1. 2 is equal to 1. How it is possible? This is an error. This is wrong. This is mathematical blunder. So there must be some error in this calculation, in this steps. In these steps there must be some error. So where is that error? The error is in this step. Remember, we assumed a and b equal. So a and b are equal quantities, and when equal quantities are subtracted, they become 0. See this, in this step, a minus b is actually 0. A minus b is 0 because a and b both are equal. Suppose a is 10, so b is also 10. So 10 minus 10 is 0. So this step, in this step, a minus b and a minus b is cancelled out, which is wrong. Why which is wrong? Because 0 cannot be cancelled with 0, or in other words, 0 cannot divide 0. In fact, we cannot divide any non-zero number by 0. Division by 0 is not allowed in maths. That is not defined. Any number by 0 is not defined in maths. So this step is the error, where we cannot cancel 0 and 0. Why we cannot cancel 0 and 0? Because basically we are doing division, and division by 0 is not allowed. If this is correct, then we can prove anything. Suppose if I want to prove 100 is equal to 1000, what I can do is I can just write 100 into 0. 100 into 0 is what? Is 0. Okay, and 1000 into 0 is what? 0. So both are actually equal. Okay, and then I can cancel 0 and 0. What do we get? 100 is equal to 1000. So this way we can prove 100 is equal to 1000, which is wrong. If we allow 0 divided by 0, if we allow this step, if this step is correct, then we can prove anything in mathematics. So that will be wrong.